Let's look at forearm chokes.
If you are close enough to put your forearm across my throat, your eyes are close enough for me to reach. I am going to tuck my chin and I'm going to raise my shoulders. And this is going to get the pressure off my throat. And then I can try to move one arm across and high like a bar, like we talked about before. Maybe that works, maybe it doesn't. I can try the other arm. What other arm goes high, the other arm is going to try to go low to try to reach a target. I don't much care whether or not this works. This is just moving to see what my options are. This is what I really want. I want to find a hole, come up, and find your eyes some way. What other hand reaches your eyes? The other hand grabs a hold any way that I can, and I'm going to glue my body to your body. You wanted to get close to do damage? Great, awesome. Let's get close. And then I'm going to apply force against your eyes. And as you move backwards, I'm just going to follow you. So you're actually picking me up because I'm grabbing onto you. If I have to adjust, I will adjust. And I'm going to glue my body to your body as you move backwards. Go ahead and move backwards. You're actually going to pull me up. If you don't move backwards, I'm not going to try to stand up. But if you do move backwards and there's space, maybe I can get away.
Wait for it. That's what you want, right there. Stay tuned. Next up, rear naked choke.